2, 3. Keep it smooth. Good, nice and steady. There we go. And catch. Nice.
Index actuator, good. Middle piston sliding clean. Compass is still true. The wiring past the knuckle feels steady. No grit in the gearing. I think she's holding together. One more flex. Yeah, all systems.
Let's see. Thumb, check. Index finger, check. Middle finger, operational. Ring finger, all good.
Hey, Rabbi, that's my donkey! Return in peace.
Halt! By order of Caesar!
Whoa! Did you see that wave?
Introducing the new iPhone 17 Air. Lighter than ever, yet built from aerospace-grade titanium and glass that shifts with the light. A 48-megapixel nano chip.
You look like a man in mourning.
I look like a man in formal wear.
Same thing.
You look like a man in mourning.
I look like a man in formal wear. Same thing.
Cannonball! Ha-ha! That's cold! Alright, got it! Up!
Cover middle.
I'm on it!
Set.
Go! Wow, close! Nice swing! Point! Good job, y'all! Whoa, steady!